today we got in our Schunk ML Flex 2+2 centric compensating chuck. Now this thing is an absolute beast, and in order to get it into this machine, we're gonna have to go make an adapter plate. So we ordered in some 26-inch round A36 flame cut material, and Jessie's gonna grind both the top surface and the bottom surface perfectly flat and perfectly parallel for us within 1/10.
I'm about to buy a whole cow.
I thought we were splitting a cow.
Well, we going to. We'll make some chorizo.
Now grinding this plate perfectly flat isn't gonna be easy. You know, the challenge that Jessie's gonna be facing is that this piece of material is 26 inches wide, but he only has about 20 inches of travel. So he's gonna have to flip and rotate this piece of material several times to make sure that it's perfect. All right, so now that Jessie's got our plate surface ground, we're ready to head over to the BVM and put in our holes, threads, counterbores, and centering pin pocket. Now our counterboard holes are gonna be for our through bolts that are gonna go through the adapter plate into the pallet, and then our threaded holes are gonna be what we bolt the chuck to the adapter plate with. So our centering pin pocket is going to be for a precision pin that's going to fit perfectly into our adapter plate and then perfectly into our pallet over here on the CP6000. Now when I say perfectly, we're going to be holding a 10th, and we're going to make every one of these holes true to each other by running them all on the same machine at the same time. What the? It says here that 78.2% of you guys out there watching our content aren't subscribed. We just hit 500,000 subscribers, and if you would have clicked subscribe, we'd probably already be at 1 million. It's not that hard. Do your part and click the subscribe button. Boom. All right, so now that we got all the holes in our adapter plate, I'm gonna bring it back over to the CP6000, and we're gonna cut our outside diameter. Yes, adapter plate of greatness. RV3 Aero cutting like butter. All right, now that we got our adapter plate OD cut and we got this thing mounted to the table,
You're definitely melted onto the plastic.
it's time to mount this monster chuck onto this beast mode machine. Make sure we don't get none of these goobers down under our chuck. Donnie, would you mind singing Wrecking Ball for us?
Something like that. You want to hear a joke about pizza? Never mind, it's too cheesy.
Ah!
All right, stop there. All right, come down a little more, Chris.
Nice.
All right, so this monster chuck you're looking at is a ROTA-M Flex 2+2 from Schunk. These things are extremely versatile, and they're super awesome for mill turn machines, and that's why we're installing it here in our Heller. These things use a wedge bar activation system, so you get extremely high accuracy and run out, even when you're turning at high speeds. Another cool thing is that this is a sealed chuck, so it uses centrifugal force to distribute the grease around the inside of the chuck so that you don't have to do as much maintenance manually. Now, something else I want to point out about this chuck is you see these cutouts here. And what these do is they reduce the overall weight of your chuck so that you're able to take more advantage of the weight capacity that your table has. This is a 630 millimeter chuck, so it is a monster. It's got 2 sets of jaws that move together. And what this allows you to do is you're able to clamp round parts, square parts, rectangular parts, parts with irregular shapes, egg-shaped parts. You can do OD clamping, ID clamping. Pretty much it's the most versatile chuck that you're gonna find out there. All right, so we got our chuck installed. This thing is a real thing of beauty. I mean, we're gonna take full advantage of this thing on this machine. You know, we're gonna be spinning at 700 RPM, slinging chips of greatness. Can't wait to see it happen. The jaws that Trevor's printing us on our Markforged Metal X printer aren't any ordinary jaws. Trevor's coming up with a sick design that's gonna actually interlock with our raw stock to make sure that it's absolutely impossible to pull our material out of this chuck. And that's good because This is a 12-inch diameter, 1,200-pound piece of 4140 steel, and we're about to make some incredible chips out of this thing. So stay tuned, we're gonna give you guys some crazy machining clips. I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like and subscribe. Check out CNC Expert, it's our new platform by machinists for machinists, and check out our online store where you can buy the tooling that we use in our videos yourself and get a great discount while you do it, while helping us support free education. I'll see you guys next time.